Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how you can log in your Capital One Bank online banking account on your phone device. Make sure you open your preferred browser. Now at the search bar, simply search capitalone.com. You will be led to the official page of Capital One bank account. At the top right corner, you can see the option sign in. Simply tap over there. Here you will be guided to this page and you need to write your credential down. First you need to write your username. Likewise, write down your password. If you want to be remembered for the next time that you log into your Capital One account, then you can simply tap on Remember Me option. In case if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can simply tap on Forget Username or Password, so that they can guide you to get your account back. Now if your credentials are ready, then you can simply tap on sign in and you will be logged in to your Capital One banking online account in your mobile device. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.